Hi there, welcome. I'm here today with a product reveal video for Create a Scene Mountains red rubber stamp. This stamp set was illustrated by Dove Art Studios for Whimsy stamps, and it does feature 5 images of scenery and then 3 solid stamp images of animals. This stamp set comes on a 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 sheet of deeply etched red rubber mounted on cling foam, and as with all of Whimsy stamps, red rubber, it does come untrimmed. So after I stamp the images, we'll go ahead and trim the individual parts of the stamp out. So I am using my Misty to stamp out this sample, but you can certainly use an acrylic block. To trim the red rubber, you do want to use good sharp scissors, and you want to try to leave a small border around your images. I think the industry standard is about 1/8 of an inch or more. So here I have my long scissors, and I'm just carefully going around my images, making sure I do leave a little bit of a border. And good sharp scissors will cut through the red rubber, through that cling foam, and the backing on that cling foam. So I'll just continue trimming this entire sheet up, and then I can go ahead and store it inside my stamp pocket. So here's a look at the entire stamp set all cut apart, and then I will just grab a stamp pocket and put those in. I will have a video using this stamp set on the Whimsy Stamps channel on September 28th, but until then I encourage you to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and see the fantastic samples the rest of the design team made. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you another time.